Welcome back, guys. So today I wanted to test out Amazon Luna, their new cloud gaming streaming service that you could play on your PC, Fire TV, your Mac, your iPhone, whatever other devices they decide to let you use. So right now, this is in beta, and you pay $6 a month to gain access to the library of games through Luna Plus. There's also other subscription services you can pay for. Right now, I believe it's just Ubisoft, which you could pay for them and get access to their titles as well. So I've done both. I want to test out a handful of games, let you guys see how this thing works, right? So right now, 1080p, 60 frames per second, 4K coming soon. Stream on 2 devices at once. I think that's pretty nice to have so multiple people could play. And right now, let me go to the library. Take a look at this. So right now, if you have both Luna Plus and Ubisoft, you have a little under 100 titles. The Ubisoft titles, you get all the newest stuff that they've put out, which is nice. I believe it's $15 a month at the moment. The Amazon price $6, but after beta, that price is going to go up. I'm not sure if the Ubisoft price is going to go up or not, but here we go. There's a lot of old titles here through Luna Plus. A lot of interesting ones as well, but definitely got to see the library grow through just that base service, right? To make this worth paying for, whatever they decide it's going to be, you're going to pay for it, right? So there we go. We got stuff like Immortals, Phoenix Rising, Watchdog Legions, bunch of old stuff. So let's just go ahead and test a couple things out. Immortals is one that I've already played a little bit on here. Does take a moment to load. Some games are pretty quick. As you see right there, sponsored. Luna is now available on select devices. I would imagine at some point that sponsored ad thing is going to show like, hey, buy like this based off of what you bought before. You can't get away from that with Amazon. They get into your brain. They want to advertise to you all sorts of stuff. So this doesn't seem like it's going to be any different. They're going to be advertising once you boot up games. But here we go. Let's let this load. Okay, so it looks like we're in it to win it. I am using a DualShock 4 controller wired up to my PC. This is on the compatibility list that you can use. I'm waiting on the Luna controller to show up. I should have that tomorrow. We'll follow up with that in another video. The one thing I noticed, every game I've tested, the buttons that it shows on there, when you have a DualShock 4, it doesn't like correspond to a PlayStation controller. It still corresponds to the Luna controller or Xbox style controller. So that's kind of whatever. I wish it would like change to like, hey, you're using a DualShock controller. Let's show those buttons to not confuse some of us, right? So here we go. Damn. See, what the hell's dodge? Because I'm using a PlayStation controller. What the hell's the X button? I'm like thinking the actual X button, but no, that's jump. That's all right. Like if you press the PlayStation button, it shows PS4 controller. But it is what it is. My internet connection, I have Fios 500 Mbps by 500. So my connection is decent, but at the same time, that's a connection I had when Google Stadia first came out, and I had issues initially with it, but it kind of like worked itself out over time. So far, my time with Luna has been pretty good. Oh shit.
No, this is important for the sense of atmosphere.
I haven't really had too much in the way of like stutters, none of that stuttering Stanley action, anything like that going on here. Wait, no, I'm going the wrong way. But yeah, so far it's been a pretty smooth experience. Is cloud streaming the future? I don't know. But I am impressed that this is working so well. It's the first time I've ever played this game. Been hearing some good things, but when I seen it was on Luna, I'm like, I'm not going to buy this. I'll just play it on Luna.
And then the other soldiers. Well, they really don't appreciate a good story.
Come on, I wasn't trying to jump on the wall. Get your ass down.
Chaos.
I didn't really pay close attention to what the fuck was going on in this game, so
An oracle or a seer.
I just want to fight some stuff.
Do this curse.
Can I skip?
A griffin? But they aren't real.
Let me go! Help!
Hey! I'll save you!
Don't commit to shit you don't want to do. Like, sorry, bro, you're gone. Well, I'm sure you are. Let's go.
I need to find.
Just jump, bitch. Boom. Thought she was gonna die for a second. Holy crap.
Phoenix felt Giron's blade.
You know what? Let's move on to something a little retro. Something that I'm like really accustomed to. Like these types of games, playing on like the Contra collection or the Castlevania collection. Because the way I look at it, with these games, I can't wait for that thing down there to be advertising diapers and some other bullshit. You know what I'm saying? But I figured if there's latency issues or anything like that, I'll notice immediately playing a game like this. So let's play like Contra 3 or something. Get a good idea how this feels. But the one thing I want to point out, I did record some footage earlier. It's probably cut from the video, but I noticed on my recording the audio wasn't syncing up 100% for the gameplay when I was playing something else. So if the audio's not syncing up, it's in here in my ear holes. I'm hearing it like perfect, but on the recording, it might not sync for some reason. Hopefully my lips and my voice sync, but the gameplay, I noticed earlier, it wasn't syncing properly. So just pointing that out. If you notice that, it's 100% fine. It's just the recording, however that's going down. Okay, let's see how this works. Oh my God. Give me that. Okay. Yeah, give me the spread. We don't want... No! Ah, son of a bitch! Spread. Spread shot. No lasers. No whammies. Bitch! Oh, no. I don't want nothing else. Don't give me nothing else. Wait, I think that... Ah! Not prepared. But you know what? Like, if I'm sucking, I just have to man up. I'm just sucking. The latency feels really good. Like, I'm not having any issues. Everything's responding pretty nicely. I mean, there's going to be a little tiny bit of latency, but it's not horrible. It's not horrible. Well, my ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here. I've been testing quite a bit, and while the experience has been enjoyable for the most part, a lot of these Ubisoft games take a hell of a long time to load for me. Watch Dogs Legions, I waited like 7-8 minutes, black screen. I ain't getting nothing. Assassin's Creed Valhalla, it finally loaded after like a few minutes of looking at a black screen, but kind of losing a little patience with the black screen stuff. I don't know what's going on with Ubisoft here, but I'll be testing it out with the Luna controller. If there's anything else you guys want to know or see with this, I'll test it out. I have no clue if I could actually stream and play these games at the same time, or if that'll just like implode the whole system. I don't freaking know, dude. Is this the future of gaming? We can have streaming services for movies and TV shows. Why not video games? I understand it. I get it, but it's not for everyone. And I think we're still in the very early stages of this. Not everybody has the best internet connection in the world. Not everybody has unlimited data when it comes to their internet connection. So it's going to be hard to see who really adopts this and who doesn't. Does it work for you? Does it not work for you? Let me know down below. Is this something you're interested in? And with that said, guys, I really do appreciate every single one of y'all. For sure. Peace out. Bye-bye. Big ass thumb butt. And boom.